How to create Go2bank account and get a free virtual Visa card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how to create Go2bank account. Now creating a Go2bank account is a straightforward process. Here is a general outline. First of all, you need to visit the official website. For that, open up a web browser. On the web address bar, type in go2.com or go2bank.com. And this is going to directly take you to the official web page of go2bank.com. After that, it's going to direct you to the official web page. Here you can go ahead and tap on open an account since you want to register for the Go2bank. After that, you'll need to go through the agreement, read to the terms and conditions provided by the Go2bank. So usually it will ask you to verify whether you're human or not. So confirm your identification and click on get started, which is located right at the bottom. Now you'll need to enter in the email address that you want to register into your Go2bank account. After that, go ahead and tap on the continue button. Now it's gonna ask you to type in your first and a last name. Click on the continue button. Here you need to provide in your home address. So basically go through it all and then enter in accordingly. Done that, go ahead and tap on the continue button once you're done entering all of your information. Once you've done that, on the step number 4, it's gonna ask you to provide in your contact details and all that. So once you've done that, you'll need to verify it as well. And basically on the step number 5, you'll need to create a login ID. For a login ID, you'll ask to create a username and then a password. Once you've done that, lastly, you'll need to review all of the terms and conditions. And that is going to take you to the official webpage. So once your identification is verified, you can set up your Go2bank account. This includes choosing a username. So to start using a Go2bank account, you'll need to deposit fund. You can often do this through direct deposit, mobile check deposit, or by linking an external bank account and transferring money. Now, if a physical card is part of your account, it can be mailed to the address provided during the sign-up process. When you receive your card, you need to activate it online or by phone. Follow the instructions that comes with the card. Once your card is activated and your account is funded, you can start using your Go2bank account for various financial transactions, including purchase and many more. So this is basically how you can create a Go2bank account and get a free virtual Visa. That's it for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.